At Lucintel, we've done significant research into the epoxy tooling board market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the epoxy tooling board market. We've done considerable secondary research and conducted primary interviews with players throughout the value chain to develop our insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald and I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We have over 1,000 clients worldwide, and we offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A. Now, let me share some of our perspective on some of the opportunities in play in the epoxy tooling board market. To summarize, we see the opportunity as being interesting. For example, the market opportunity is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 4% through 2025. In terms of the overall opportunity, epoxy tooling boards represent roughly 23% of the global tooling board market. Currently, transportation is the largest application segment, whereas 600 to 800 kilograms per meter cubed is the largest density. In terms of the regions, Europe offers the largest demand for epoxy tooling boards, followed by North America, and then by then by the Asia Pacific. Now if you look into the value chain, you can see that the ecosystem for this market is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on some of the key drivers and emerging trends that we're seeing in this market. Some of the major drivers include high demand for epoxy tooling boards in the use of Formula One racing and manufacturing, as well as lower production time. Some of the major challenges include high demand for traditional substitute materials. In terms of some of the emerging trends, we see the development of high temperature resistance, custom-sized tooling boards as being significant trends in this market. As you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, trends, and challenges throughout the value chain. In order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities for custom-sized and high-temperature resistance tooling boards. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the epoxy tooling board market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. At Lucintel, we have an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or where should I focus limited sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the epoxy tooling board market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video today.